keen to ensure that all works are completed in due course, before before the exposition starts on 21st. We had authorities of the church, we had authorities from all the various departments that are involved in the exposition, in executing works for the expo. Some suggestions have come, which will be looked into, and we will make an effort to try and implement whatever suggestions have come. Suggestions come are small, no great deal. The process is on, and I think it's pretty smooth. We will definitely be able to. A deadline has been given that by 10th of November, everything has to be in place. So we have time to rectify the issue. That was about it.
Sir, in August this year, CM had assured to spend some 200 crores on that infrastructure.
I can assure you that no work will suffer due to want of funds. When CM has spoken of 200 crores, it is a figure that he has. It is a figure that he has said just off the cuff, because post that the estimates have been done, and I assure you, if the costs of works go beyond 200, he will still deliver the exposition date, which is 21st. So we want to put everything in place by the 10th. We have thereafter 10 days to take up, any project of that size.